Hello, in front of me I've got TECNO Spark 30C. In this video I'll show you how to set up Portable Hotspot. In order to set up Portable Hotspot on your smartphone, firstly go to Control Center and extend it. Search for Hotspot and tap on it to enable this function. Tap and hold on this icon to go to Portable Hotspot settings. Now in settings you can change name, check password and manage security of your hotspot. To disable it, switch this button or again tap on this icon. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.